In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a specific chat in ChatGPT. If you've ever had a great conversation and then struggled to get back to it, this quick guide will save you time and frustration. We're going to focus on the built-in search tool so you can jump straight to the chat you need without scrolling through a long list. Once you're in the ChatGPT interface, look toward the top left of the screen. That's where your conversation history lives, in the left sidebar. Right there, you'll see a field labeled Search Chats. This is your starting point. It's designed to scan the titles and content of your previous conversations and surface anything that matches what you type. Click into the Search Chats field and begin typing a specific phrase or topic you remember from that conversation. You don't need the entire sentence. Just a few distinctive words will do. Think of terms that would be uncommon or unique to that chat. Maybe the name of a project, a particular concept you discussed, or a short phrase you're confident appeared in the exchange. The more specific your wording, the more precise your results will be. As you type, matching conversations will appear below in your chat list. You'll typically see the conversation title and a brief preview that includes some of the context around your search terms. Use that preview to quickly recognize the chat you're looking for. If you see a lot of results, keep refining your search by adding one or two more words that narrow the scope. If nothing shows up, try a slightly different phrasing or a synonym for the term you used. Sometimes changing just one word can surface the right conversation. A helpful approach is to recall a unique sentence fragment, a specific term you asked about, or a detail that wouldn't appear in your other chats. Short, targeted phrases tend to work better than long sentences. And if you remember the general topic but not the exact wording, start broad and then add more detail as you scan the results. That's really all there is to it. Go to the top left, use the Search Chats field, type in a phrase or topic you remember, and the conversations that match will appear right where your history is listed. With just a couple of keystrokes, you'll be back in the exact thread you need, ready to pick up where you left off.